Hey guys, welcome to the CoLAB. I'm here to give you a little insight into the ISO framework. The ISO framework was created to help continuous innovation and continuous collaboration development for all of our CoLAB partners. So let's get into it. The first part of the ISO framework is identify, for the I. And that means any CoLAB architect and really any CoLAB partner has the ability, when they begin to see their mindset shift and to see the world in a completely different way, they'll begin to identify collaborations everywhere. So when you do that, you simply hop on a Zoom call and say, hey, I think I have an opportunity that I identified where you plus another CoLAB partner can create some new and unique value. Beyond the identify is the structure portion. So somewhere throughout your identify Zoom call, you'll begin to explore ways to create this framework for the actual collaboration. And that is the structure portion, or the second S in the ISO framework. When I talk about structure, the main things that you're going to do here is a little pre-recorded checklist that we have for you, and that is identifying who's in the collaboration, and most importantly, who the hero target is in the collaboration, how the new collab partners are coming together to establish or create new value for that hero target. When is and this is an important one, when is the earliest time that we can identify that success is happening? What are those leading indicators? And most specifically, what is the one leading indicator? An example could be they put in their credit card, they sign an agreement, or they join or began a subscription. When that happens, you simply determine how we're going to split this outcome. And lastly, what's the frequency that we need to check in on this collaboration as your collab architect, otherwise known as the Switzerland, just to ensure that everyone is showing up and creating that new and unique value. They're truly wiping the competition off the field. So the last portion is optimize. Upon setting that frequency that you did as you were executing your declaration of collaboration, filling out all the pertinent details during the structure phase, it's now time to move to the optimize phase. During the optimize phase, established based upon the frequency, you simply jump on another quick Zoom call, check in with everyone, and this is also based upon the awareness that since the last time we were together, we've done a lot of the IC3 framework. For those of you not familiar with the IC3 framework, that is to collect, combine, and create. The collection is the clear understanding that every day that we're giving, we're going to collect a host of things. But inevitably, some key items are knowledge, experiences, awarenesses, and also another one that I love, relationships. So you're extending your reach. Well, if it's been 2 weeks or 4 weeks, or heck, could have been a quarter, then you've done a lot of collecting. So has the other collab partner, so has your architect. And so this reconnection of all of the 3 parties, or in some of the larger collaborations, all the 5 parties or the 7 parties, the 9 parties or the 12 parties are all coming together to identify ways to optimize this collaboration, because you've all grown in your relationships, your knowledge, your experiences, and also your awarenesses. So your collab architect is there to help spot those, and that's the optimization to the existing collaboration. But wait, there's more. With all this collecting, it's highly likely, happens almost every time, we identify, back to the beginning of the framework, just like a flywheel, more collaboration opportunities, or simply more value creation opportunities through the existing collab partners. But at a minimum, because there's been all this collecting, there's been time passed, it's very easy to spot ways that the other collab partners could come together with one or more of the collab partners involved in this collaboration to create new and unique value for that hero target or any other hero target that they have alignment with. So the ISO framework is clearly obvious. It is a value creation machine. And each and every collab partner and collab architect has the ability to constantly run this framework to identify collaborations, to structure collaborations, and to optimize collaborations. Thanks so much for joining the CoLAB.